Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the right iOS and Safari update. Once confirmed, start in Settings. Tap General immediately because this is where language control lives. Next, choose Language and Region so you can change the system language, which Safari uses for menus and suggestions. Make sure you have your Apple ID passcode handy. The phone may prompt for it. This first step puts you into the correct panel to change device language versus just a site translation. Choose iPhone language from the Language and Region screen. Pick the language you want Safari to show. Tap Confirm because the system must restart some UI elements. Wait patiently while the device applies the change. Once done, review preferred language order. Move your new language to the top to prioritize it for apps. Also check region, since date, currency, and locale-sensitive content in websites will adapt. These middle steps ensure Safari displays menus, prompts, and suggested content in the language you selected. Open Safari and browse to verify menus, autofill prompts, and search suggestions reflect your new language. If some elements remain in the old language, restart the iPhone to force a full UI refresh. That often fixes lingering strings. Make sure any app-specific language override isn't set. In Settings, scroll to individual apps and confirm they follow system language. If issues persist, toggle the new language off and on again. Then reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.